Washington celebrates the silver jubilee of the foundation of the airmail. A new helicopter is the basis of the Postal Service's newest facility, the direct pickup at central points in cities and towns for fast delivery to the large airports. In front of the Capitol at Washington, Igor Sikorsky, designer of the new helicopter, sees his invention carry a special packet of mail to the Washington airport. In the 25 years of its existence, the airmail has grown beyond all expectations, totaling 45 million pounds in a single year. There will be more airmail helicopters after the war. Today, because of their amazing maneuverability, helicopters are under secret Army and Navy orders.